Learning how the wealthy handle their finances can be hard, as direct advice from them is rare. They excel in saving on both small and large expenses, a skill we should all learn. Whether for managing unexpected bills, fulfilling travel dreams, buying a house, or establishing an emergency fund, saving is crucial. This video compiles top money-saving tips to help achieve your goals quickly. 1. Set your savings goals. Having clear savings goals makes it easier to resist unnecessary spending, even if you can afford it. Many struggle with saving due to a lack of clarity about their objectives. Not everyone seeks extreme frugality merely for a spot on the Forbes list in their later years. Perhaps your aim is financial security, comfortable retirement, or a specific lifestyle like retiring on an island in Southeast Asia with just $1,000 of passive income per month. Before diving into money-saving tips, take time to define what you're saving for, the required amount, and your timeline. Tailor your saving strategies based on these specific goals for optimal results. 2. Pay yourself first. Allocate a portion of your earnings into a savings account before using any money. If you don't have a savings account yet, create one. Treat this as a non-negotiable allocation, separate from regular expenses. Rather than immediately spending this set-aside amount, consider investing it for your future. It's a way to ensure consistent savings regardless of life's circumstances. Instead of paying bills first and saving what's left, Warren Buffett, known for his financial wisdom, suggests the opposite approach. Prioritize paying yourself first. This strategy prevents spending everything and struggling to save what's left over, guaranteeing savings regardless of your paycheck size. 3. Know your expenses. For those new to saving, it's common to be unsure where your money disappears. Instead of relying on hope, track every expense for a month to understand your spending. Once you spot where you're spending, find areas to cut back. Set a realistic budget and stick to it. Simple changes, like making coffee at home instead of buying it, can save hundreds monthly. It's a straightforward method to take control of your expenses and save effectively. 4. Set automatic bill payment. Life's busyness can lead to forgetting bill payments, accumulating costly late fees. Combat this by arranging automatic bill payments, ensuring timely deductions from your account. For consistent saving, automate transfers from your paycheck to your savings. This method puts your savings on autopilot, reducing the temptation to spend. Determine a comfortable amount to save per paycheck, set it up, and witness your savings grow steadily. These straightforward actions aid in swift savings accumulation and prevent unnecessary fees. 5. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home is a savvy method to save money, significantly cheaper than dining out. It not only benefits your wallet but also promotes better health. Despite initial challenges, cooking at home becomes effortless with practice. You can create delicious, budget-friendly meals quickly, often faster than ordering delivery. While enjoying occasional outings with friends or a partner is important, reconsider frequent spending on dining out. Reflect on whether those expenses could be allocated elsewhere, like investing in stocks for long-term financial growth. 6. Always use cash. Consider using cash instead of your debit card when making purchases. Put aside credit cards and withdraw a specific cash amount from your bank to cover expenses for a few weeks. Whether dining out or grocery shopping, using cash encourages more thoughtful spending. It's psychologically harder to part with physical money like a $20 bill compared to swiping a card. Cash transactions make you more aware of your spending, fostering smarter spending habits by focusing on needs over wants. 7. Cancel subscriptions. Review your usage of various services over a month or two, distinguishing necessities from dispensable ones. Assess whether fancy TV channels, dormant home phones, or ultra-fast internet are essential. Evaluate the value of memberships, like gym subscriptions, by recalling your recent usage. Take inventory of all these services and ask if they're genuinely necessary. If not, it might be prudent to cancel and trim unnecessary expenses, ultimately saving money. 8. Make a grocery list. Crafting a grocery list before shopping can significantly cut expenses by ensuring you purchase only what's necessary, steering clear of impulse buys. Compile a weekly list to minimize store visits, reducing the likelihood of unnecessary purchases. Aim for an hour or less for your shopping trip and maintain swiftness to avoid impulsive shopping induced by tempting sales tactics. While some deals seem enticing, take your time and compare prices across various stores. This comparison might reveal that some items aren't essential or that better deals exist elsewhere. It's never too late to start saving money. Every small step takes you closer to financial freedom. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.